Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing some more Among Us, but today I'm not going to be playing online. Today I got an idea from my friend, which just knew the game, like he knew the game before, but he didn't play before because he can't understand how to do the tasks. So today I got an idea from him, and I'm gonna make 3 videos. And these 3 videos are going to be tutorials for these 3 maps. Going to be tutorials for the tasks in every map. And today we are going to be using the Skeld. If you didn't know, the Skeld is a map. If you didn't know, and there is Mira HQ and there is Pulse. These are the 3 maps, and today I'm going to be making an tutorial on how to finish all the tasks in the Skeld. So I guess let's begin. Oh yeah, by the way, my friend, if you're watching this, thank you for the idea, because I didn't have an idea for videos, so I guess thank you if you're watching this. I guess let's start. Roll the intro. So first, of course, we have to just enable all the tasks, because I'm gonna do all of them. Okay, medbay, navigation, O2. I'm playing free play, by the way. That's why I'm that's why you can see this. I'm not a hacker. Okay, weapons. Okay, as you can see that the tasks thing is crazy, and as you can see the map is crazy as well. Okay, so the first thing we have the download task. This download task, when you just go to the task and just press use. For me, I can just press use with the mouse, or I can just press E. Okay, if you are on keyboard and mouse, you can just Q if you're the imposter. Q is for kill, and E is for if you want to sabotage or use an event, and WASD is for moving. And you can change this from here, controls, mouse and keyboard, but I like keyboard. Okay, that was just a tip. So you're gonna go to the task and open it. Then you're gonna find this. Then you're gonna press download, and you're gonna wait until this green line is till here. So let's wait. When it's 100%, task is complete. Second thing, we have the trash task. So I'm gonna go to the task and press E, or press use. Then you're gonna see this lever. It's called lever, whatever it's called. Then you're gonna press and hold this hand, this, whatever it's called. Then you're gonna press and hold. As you can see, it's written pull and hold. Press and hold. Then you're gonna pull down until the leaves are gone. Then you're gonna leave it, and task is complete. This was in cafeteria, as you can see in the map, cafeteria. Okay. So now we're gonna go to weapons. So this is a download task, so I'm just gonna finish it. It's the same thing. Okay. But if you are in an online game, there's gonna be only one download. So yeah, there is gonna be a lot. There's gonna be in navigation. No, not shields. Communications, electrical, and that's it. Then we're gonna upload all of this in admin. I'm just gonna show you. So we have this task in weapons. This is called an asteroids task. So you're gonna press use, and you have to shoot 20 asteroids. So these are the numbers over here. So let's just shoot all of them. If you miss, it's okay. 20. As you can see, 20 and done. Now we're gonna go to O2. Oh, that rhymed. Okay, so we have this task. Like, this is the shoot task, so like the trash task, so let's just do it. So we have this task. I'm gonna press use, I'm gonna find these leaves. I'm gonna take the leaves and just try to like push them with your mouse or with your finger, or if you're playing on mobile, until like you get to the hole again, to the leaves, to the hole like on the side. Now we have in navigation, as I said, we're gonna have a download task again. Gonna finish this and done. Okay, now we have this task. I'm gonna open the task, and you're gonna find these circles, and you're gonna find this ship. So you're gonna press and hold the ship, just move it along the lines to the circles, like that. Boom, 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 and done. Okay, and we have this task. This task, you just have to like take this thing and put it in the middle, like it has to be like here. But if you want, you can just put your finger or your mouse in the middle and just press, just gonna teleport to the middle. So this is this task. Let's now go to shields, which is down here. Shields, we have, wait, oh, this task. And as you can see, we have these hexagon, I think it's hexagon, I don't know. I know it's not pentagon, as I said in last video. So we have these pentagons, not pentagons, hexagon, whatever this shape is called. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know. Okay, so you're gonna find some of them are white, some of them are red. The red ones, you're gonna press them, they're gonna turn white, and this light is gonna turn on. And yeah, that's we have a download here. Let's just download it. And done. Okay, let's now go to storage. Let's go down here. This is just a shoot thing. Okay. Let's now. We have another one because we did 2 of the trash thingy. Okay, done. Now we have the fuel station. Oh yeah. Now, so when you open the task, you're gonna find this like gas tank and this button. So you're gonna press and hold the button until the yellow or the green light, as you can see here, the green light is done. So when the green light lights up, you're gonna leave it and done. So we're gonna do this 2 times because we have 2 like engines, so we have to put fuel. Now we are in electrical, as you can see down here. So first we have this task. This task, you're gonna find 1 and 2, 3 circles, and you're gonna find like this thing just turning around. So what you need to do when this like black thing reaches here and this lights up, you're gonna press this button. So as you can see, let's wait for this and done. Oh, okay, I missed it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed it again. I missed it again. What is going on? Okay, and oh, okay. This. Okay. Now we have the wires task. This is like, I think it's easy if you just open the task. Just connect all the colors to the other colors. Yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and whatever. In this task, you're gonna open it and just, because I enabled all the tasks in online classes what? I'm confused. In online games, in online rooms, you're gonna like use this task only once, but because I enabled all the tasks, so I'm gonna do it like multiple times. And again, what you have to do is you're gonna look for the one which is like lit up, and you're gonna just press and hold and just get it up. Okay, so we have this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Oh, this one. Okay, there's a freaking mosquito. I hate mosquitoes. This is a download task, so just gonna do it. Look at these arrows. Okay, and task is complete. Now to go to lower engine. Okay, so we have a task here. In this task, you have just a person hold this tab and make this line, this red line, on this red line until it's green. Task is complete. Let's now go and we're gonna open this task. This task is gonna be like you can make this task when you enable it in the electrical task, which is we did like multiple times. So you just open the task and press in the middle. Now we have Reactor. Oh, hello. Okay. So we have this task which is called Start Reactor. I'm actually saying the names because like if you like someone says what task were you doing, you just say the Start Reactor thing. Okay, so in this task we're gonna open it. We're gonna find this screen. So it's gonna show you a button. So as you can see, it's here. So we're gonna press it here. So I'm gonna press 2 times. 1, 2. So it's here, here, here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So it's here, here, boom, boom. Okay. Last one. Done. So I think you get it. And this task, just gonna count to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. We have security now. We're just gonna connect the same thing. And this is not a task, this is just security cameras. Okay, so we have here, we're gonna put the fuel which we took from storage, put it in this. Okay, and we have this task again, and we have this task again. Okay, and now we have medbay. First we have the medbay scan, submit scan. It's just gonna scan you when you press use. Okay, and this task, you're gonna open the task and you're gonna press this green button. So it's gonna color all the water, and you're gonna wait for 1 minute. When you come back, there's gonna be one bottle which is colored red, and you're gonna press the button under. It's just gonna show you. So now we have just in storage, we have wires. Connect these and blue. Now we're gonna take more fuel for the lower engine because we did the upper engine, and the green and light, and done. Now we're gonna go to the lower engine. Okay, I put the fuel. Done. Now go, like we finished like this part. Let's now go to the other parts. Get out of my way. Thank you. Let's now go to admin. Wait, why is this? Why is this like a square here? They need to fix this game. Okay, now I'm gonna come here, upload, because like we downloaded from everywhere. Now we have to upload. So we're gonna upload multiple times because we downloaded multiple times. I think it's 5 uploads because we downloaded 5. Okay, just do one more. Like not one more, like one again. Why is my VR glasses here? Again, this is getting boring. I'm waiting. Gosh, my freaking mouse is ran out of battery. Just gonna use my laptop and just download. Oh, we're done. Okay, just gonna plug. Okay. Yeah, it's working now. Now we have this task, which is the swipe card. you're just gonna open the task and you're gonna press this card here. So just gonna go here and just swipe the card. So sometimes it's gonna tell you too slow, too fast. So you have to like put it in the middle. Accepted. It's a little bit hard on mobile. I don't know, when I tried it, it's hard, but I'm playing a laptop or PC. It's like they call it PC, so it's a little bit easier. Yeah, I just did this task, and you know what I think. And we have it here again. We're almost complete. Good. We have this task again. We have it here. And we have the last two tasks. And we have wiring and water thing. Yellow to yellow, red to red, blue to blue, and pink to pink. Oh, pink to pink. Now I'm gonna go to mid bay. Let's see how many minutes are left. Oh, it's done. So as you can see, we have this bottle which is red. So we're gonna go down, press the button which is under it, and tasks completed. This is gonna show up for me because I'm in free play. Normally the crew would have just one because the taskbar is full. For free play, we issue new tasks instead. So guys, this is it. This is a tutorial for all the tasks. And thanks for watching. Please go down below, subscribe to my channel, like for more videos, and comment down below more video ideas you wanna see in Among Us. And yeah, peace.